Let me tell you how diastasis recti affects your core strength. For years, diastasis recti was considered a purely cosmetic, harmless condition, but it can meaningfully impact quality of life, and let me tell you why. Well, the two main muscles that are located in the center of your abdomen, called rectus muscle or six-pack muscles, are connected in the midline by a thick band of fascia. In diastasis recti, that connection stretches and loosens, causing the muscle to separate. It's most common in women after pregnancy, but it also occurs in men and non-pregnant women, often related to obesity, genetic predisposition, or other factors. Unlike a hernia, since these two muscles remain connected by a thin layer of fascia, there's no risk of bowel incarceration or strangulation, and no life-threatening complications. The oblique and transversus abdominis muscle on the side of your abdomen all anchor into the six-pack muscles at the midline. When that midline separates, these muscles lose their solid anchor point and cannot contract efficiently. Over time, this can lead to partial muscle weakness and atrophy. This is why so many patients with diastasis recti experience reduced core strength, discomfort during exercise, difficulty performing core exercises, lower back pain, and posture changes. Bottom line, while diastasis recti isn't life-threatening, it can significantly affect daily function and quality of life, and it's worth addressing.